We already have on stage Dr. Ajit Pathak, the National President. We would invite on stage Sumita Singh, the Director General, Secretary General, beg your pardon. Nivedita Banerjee, the Secretary Treasurer of the National Committee is here. Shommujit Mohapatra is here, who is the Chairman of the Conference Committee and also happens to be the Chairman of the Kolkata chapter of PRSI. Narendra Mehta, Vice President North, are you here? Narendra Mehta, I hope you join us here. And MS Majumdar, Vice President East, you are already here. Friends, we are indeed privileged to have the presence of two very, very erudite and important civil servants amidst us to share with us their wisdom at the valedictory session. May I take the opportunity of inviting up on stage Shri Debashish Sen. Shri Debashish Sen of the Indian Administrative Services serves as the Managing Director and Chairman of the West Bengal of WBHIDC or West Bengal HITCO. At present, he is Additional Chief Secretary to the Government of West Bengal, Department of Urban Development. He has been Director of the West Bengal Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation Limited since 2010. He has also been the Chief Electoral Officer, West Bengal, of the Election Commission of India for 5 years between 2005 and 2010 and has contributed immensely with his knowledge to the progress of West Bengal in recent years. We are indeed grateful to the Joint Secretary, Ministry of Disability, Government of India, Mr. Avanish Avasthi, for agreeing to be with us in our valedictory session. Mr. Avasthi has had a checkered career in the civil services. He is a qualified engineer from IIT, and I'm told he stood first nationally in the Indian Engineering Services. He stood fourth nationally in the Indian Administrative Services examinations. He has held various administrative positions in the government of Uttar Pradesh and later with the government of India. He is at present steering the Divyang Rehabilitation Abhiyan of the country as per the mission of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So at the outset, we shall greet our eminent speakers at the valedictory session. We would greet Shri Debashish Sen. And may I request our National President, Dr. Ajit Pathak, to do the honors for us. We now have the pleasure of greeting Sri Avanish Avasthi. Dr. Ajit Pathak to do the honors for us. Shommujit Mohapatra is doing the honors, Chairman of the Kolkata chapter and the Chairman of the Organizing Committee. May I request Sri Debashish Sen for his address, please.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for inviting me. I believe it was a very, very successful national conference, and as we are trying very hard from the government to position Kolkata as one of the national destinations, I cannot resist the temptation of doing a bit of public relations myself, in the sense that we are building in Kolkata, in very close by in Newtown, Kolkata, one of the largest convention centers in India. It is 3 times the size of Vigyan Bhavan and is equivalent to the India Habitat Center in Delhi, and it will be online, ready for occupation from March or April 2017. So, maybe the next national conference may be there, as indeed we are also having a large request from various professional bodies for booking already. So I am very happy that this international convention is being held in Kolkata. Point number 1. Point number 2 and last point is that I was having a very engaging conversation with some of the senior delegates sitting at the back. After apologizing that I could not be there in the opening, though I was very cordially invited because of assembly last day, some session, something came up. But the discussions that we were having is how we can convert Pokemon into a public relation exercise. As you know, Reliance Jio has been very quick, and in India, the first official Pokemon game launch has been done, I think, only a couple of weeks back, and the gyms of Pokemon, where you can get those balls for extra points, are the Reliance Jio stores. So I was asking myself, why not we have the landmarks of Kolkata, or indeed any product who wants to make an impact in the society by using such virtual reality games. I think the future lies there. Well, thank you very much for inviting me.
Sir, may I now invite you, sir, Mr. Avanish Avasthi, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Disability, Government of India.
Mr. Pathak, the others at the 38th Conference of All India Public Relations Conference, all our organizers, the Calcutta chapter, Mr. Sen, friends in the audience from the PR sector, and some young professionals that I see. The theme of the entire conference is youth and the entire area of public relations. I would just like to say that I basically come from the social sector. As on date, I work in the social sector, and I work for disability. And I would like to inform the House that the only bill that could be passed in the Rajya Sabha was the disability bill, which was done only about 7 days ago. And we got it passed in the Lok Sabha 3 days ago. And I can tell you the PR exercise to do it with all the MPs and the ministers was quite a tough exercise. And this required a lot of work. So what I would just like to say is, a lot of our people here, a lot of our speakers were talking of PR as per the corporate scenario. But within the corporate scenario, there are the not-for-profit organizations. There are large number of organizations which work in the which work in the social sector. It is in this area that a lot of work will need to be done. And I can tell you, as a joint secretary in the department, the budget for us for the entire media exercise about 70 crores. And I am not able to spend that money because I can't find proper PR professionals or proper professionals who can make a good story out of what we do and how we want to take that forward. We are able to spend only 35 crores in the last 9 months, and we still have 35 crores left with us. Or rather than bringing out large 1-page or 2-page advertisements in the newspapers, which we usually do, we need to build a story on our entire process of taking this entire social sector forward. And I'm sure today I can find some good friends. And I was talking to my dear friend Dr. Pathak, and I just told him this. And he said, he offered that, well, why not some of us through the organizations come forth and help you in taking this entire challenge forward. You all know that the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, is very pro-Divyang. He works and things for the persons with disabilities. And I can just tell you, we did a PR exercise on his birthday on the 17th of September in Navsari in Gujarat, where we did 11,000 Divyangs, where we distributed large number of wheelchairs, tricycles, hearing aids. And with that we did 3 world records. The world record was for distribution of largest number of hearing aids. We had a world record where 1,001 persons sat in a formation on a wheelchair, and if you look from the air, you can see Happy Birthday PM. So that was the PR exercise we did. Then we also had another world record where about 1,000 people lit lamps in 30 seconds. Now these are the things that we need to do in the social sector. Today I would like to, on behalf of the department, like to invite any one of you in any capacity to come forth and partner with us in whatever form possible so that we can take this forward. I would also like to tell you that the government has given a lot of push on the digital sector. You have seen so much of the push on the digital payments. You have seen so much of the push on the social platforms, on the Twitter, on the Facebook, so many other things, the MyGov platforms. And I'm sure I would like to once again call on behalf of my department, any one of you who are working on the social media platforms, if you would like to come forth and help us in taking this mission forward, that would really help us. We launched we got a bill passed, and I can show you in the Twitter handle that we take up for the Department of Disability Affairs. When we announced that the bill has been passed, as on date, we have 840 retweets and 2,842 likes. Now this is what PR is all about now. This is what we are looking for to take this forward. I got a phone call from the PMO yesterday night that why don't you make some more infographics for taking this entire thing forward, of showing what the good work you have done. So I am sure this is a welcome opportunity for me to come all the way from Delhi to Kolkata. Kolkata is building one of the largest convention centers. I am sure we will do a large convention with persons with disabilities in Kolkata with the Honorable Chief Minister, and if possible, we will get our Minister, or maybe we can take up a big exercise at the Prime Minister level himself. I can tell you, we did only last month, we did an exercise in Manipur, where 6,000 old persons were given hearing aids in one day. The Chief Minister of Manipur was there, and we again made Guinness Book of World Record. So again, these exercises are important. I am sure on behalf of the department, I would like to thank this entire platform. I would like to thank the Public Relations Conference and the organizers, the 38th conference. I am sure with so much of inputs, I just saw the face yoga. I am sure if face yoga can be taken up on a large scale, it will bring a smile to our face, it will make us more healthy, and I am sure things like these will take the things forward. Thank you once again, congratulations, best of luck, bye-bye, and a very happy new year in advance.
Thank you very much, Mr. Awasthi, for your inspiring words, and we shall definitely keep such things in mind and take the good work forward. Friends, we have come to the close of this beautiful event, and we do go back with a tinge of grief, because we leave behind friends who have come from other cities, other places, but we also go back with a lot of hope that whatever we have discussed here over the last 2.5 days would be put into action in a little while from now. Shombhojit Mohapatra, Chairman of the organizing committee, will propose a formal vote of thanks, although we have been thanking people for the past few hours. We have to recognize Partho and Shubhendu. Okay. Sorry. So, we need to recognize the great effort of Partho and Shubhendu, the two people who have been keeping a track of the events by being wonderful photographers. Partho Kaur and Shubhendu Das, let us hear it loudly for them. They have been keeping a track, and the videography as well. Although it's not mentioned here to me, I know it's not complete without the last word from the Honorable National President, Dr. Ajit Pathak.
Respected Awasthi Sahab, Sen Sahab, thank you very much for your presence here at the valedictory function. Although it may not reflect the kind of event it is, because 80% of our participants have already moved out, so we would have loved to have you at the beginning of the event. But I'm happy that two of you are together and could work out much bigger proposition for the social sector in days ahead. And problems start again for Somyajit, because Mr. Sen has already announced that biggest ever convention center is coming up, even bigger than Vigyan Bhavan. So we all look at Somyajit for many more events in days ahead. All the best, Somyajit.
We must catch it.
Well, most of the friends have gone, but I promised some friends that I'll share with you my poem. Sir, I'll take 5 minutes. We talked of social media in a big way, but beyond social media, what it is, I've taken a different route to express my views. This poem is Ehsaas. कल रात मेरे एहसास की रात थी, कल रात मेरे एहसास की रात थी, दिल का दर्द था, कुछ मन की बात थी. मेरी पत्नी सुबह से कर रही थी मेरा इंतजार, संकेतों से कर रही थी अनकही बातों का इजहार. मैं सुबह से निकला, कुछ देर पहले घर आया था. मैं सुबह से निकला, कुछ देर पहले घर आया था. वो व्रत में थी, उसने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया था. मेरे आते ही उसने खाना था परोसा, मेरे आते ही उसने खाना था परोसा. थाली के व्यंजन उसके, जीवन भर का भरोसा. रात की दिनचर्या ने मुझे अपनी ओर रिझाया, रात की दिनचर्या ने मुझे अपनी ओर रिझाया. फेसबुक पर जाने को मेरा फेस मुस्काया. मेरे चेहरे पर फैल गई मस्ती की स्माइल, मेरे चेहरे पर फैल गई मस्ती की स्माइल. जैसे ही उठाया मैंने अपना प्रिय मोबाइल. अनेक अनजान लोगों ने फ्रेंडशिप का किया था इजहार, जिसको कभी देखा नहीं उसके प्रति आ रहा था प्यार. कई लोगों ने किया था मेरे पोस्ट को लाइक, कई लोगों ने किया था मेरे पोस्ट को लाइक. पत्नी की सुनो जी लग रही थी फटा माइक. वो कहने लगी सुबह माँ का आया था फोन, वो कहने लगी सुबह माँ का आया था फोन. मैं ढूंढने में लगा था फ्रेंडशिप की रिक्वेस्ट वाला ये है कौन. कल बच्चे को स्कूल छोड़ना होगा, आएगा नहीं ऑटो, मुझको तो चेंज करनी थी अपनी प्रोफाइल फोटो. बेटी को बुखार है, तबीयत उसकी है खराब, व्हाट्सएप पर आए मैसेजों के मुझे देने थे जवाब. बैंक से पैसे निकालने हैं, वो बार बार रही थी टोक, मुझे अच्छे लग रहे थे मेरी कलीग के भेजे जोक. मैं कुछ भूल रहा था, मेरे ध्यान से कुछ हो रहा था स्लिप. कॉलेज के एक दोस्त ने इंटरेस्टिंग भेजी थी एक क्लिप. सोसाइटी के सेक्रेटरी ने कहा था मेरा मैसेज जरूर देखना आप, आज मंगल है हनुमान जी का, बड़ा अच्छा भेजा है जाप. कल टिफिन में क्या रखूं, क्या लेकर जाओगे खाना. मैं सुन रहा था नई बीट्स पर एक पुराना गाना. पिछले हफ्ते जो दोस्त बना उसे भेजनी थी जन्मदिन की बधाई. अब भेजूंगा उसे मैसेज, फुर्सत ही नहीं मिल पाई. इतने में घंटी बजी, आई थी पड़ोस वाली भाभी. इतने में घंटी बजी, आई पड़ोस वाली भाभी. भाई साहब छोड़ गए थे, उसे चाहिए थी घर की चाबी. कहाँ है आपकी बीवी, सुबह से विश भी नहीं कर पाई. बताइए आज आपने उसकी बर्थडे कैसे मनाई. शर्मसार में हुआ रे इतना, आंखों में भर गया पानी. कैसा मेरा जीवन हो गया, कैसी रे गजब कहानी. मैंने उसकी आंखों में देखे कुछ अनकहे सवाल, लेकिन मेरे मन में उठता था ज्वालामुखी सा ज्वाल. एहसास हुआ मुझको अब किसको क्या बताऊं, हैप्पी बर्थडे गाकर अब कैसे मैं सुनाऊं। इस परिवार के लिए चढ़ाए उसने श्रद्धा के सभी फूल, उसका ही जन्मदिन मैं कैसे गया रे भूल। दुनिया को जीतने चला था खुद घर को बिसार कर, जो साथ तेरे अपने हैं पहले उनको प्यार कर। मोबाइल, व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक कुछ भी नहीं खराब, मोबाइल, व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक कुछ भी नहीं खराब, लेकिन दिल से दिल के रिश्तों का कोई नहीं जवाब। दिल से दिल के रिश्तों का कोई नहीं जवाब। थैंक यू वेरी मच सोमजीत एंड टीम फॉर द वंडरफुल शो।
I welcomed you, and again, I have been told to give formal vote of thanks. So many things to tell, but this is not the time to keep you binding for all the things. A big thank you to all the participants, all the sponsors, all the guests, and the idea conceived by Reshmi Chatterjee for the wonderful inauguration concept by shadowgraphy, and then Dhak, Madul, and the Santhal girls dance. And we think we did the formal inauguration with lamp lighting, but the culture, the way we portrayed Bengal's culture, it was a national conference. We tried to give some message. The perception about Calcutta, the perception about Bengal was always negative, we came to know, but we tried to correct the image, and we are the people, we have to do the image correction. So I think people from all parts of the country will now think that yes, Bengal can do anything. Kolkata can do anything. And the PR people, public relation, corporate communication people, they do not want to be highlighted. They are always the backbenchers. They should be taken. Rita Di told so many times that decision makers, they should be the directors, they should be the CEOs. So the day should come, we should see that we people at the decision-making platform, because image is the ultimate thing everybody needs. So I cannot, our list is very long, 38 sponsors. Everybody is equally important. All the delegates are equally important. All the speakers are equally important. All PRSI members are equally important. All the National Council members are equally important. All the national office bearers are equally important. All the volunteers are equally important. The people at the sound, the video, all are equally important. Everybody is having 100 out of 100 marks in this conference. Nobody is having very good, bad, poor. Everybody present, participated in this conference is having very good marks. And that is the message from our platform. Here everybody is equal. The technicians, people, and our delegates, our speakers, all are equal here. And we can take this message that we are at the streets, we can fight, we can correct the image of the organization, then we can do something for the society. PRSI is always for the society, PRSI is always for the organization. So with that, I once again recognize the effort of our logistic partners, mainly Equinox people, Rana, Shomik, Dhruvo, Kaushik, and of course Shuman is there, and Shubhendu, Partho. We are not embarrassing you, calling you on the stage, felicitation. You are a hero here. You are doing the photography here. So all the heroes and heroines are here. I am thankful to everybody. The formal namaskar to everybody. From the core of my heart, I am thankful to everybody. Thank you very much.
At least whichever delegates we are here, let us give a standing ovation to Calcutta chapter